Welcome to the command center of your preparation. If the previous tools were about finding the target, this is about hitting it. We enter the Study Dashboard, a comprehensive learning hub designed to structure your entire journey. We start with the study roadmaps. Most students fail not because of a lack of effort, but a lack of direction. We solve this with hard data. As we browse the categories, Railway, SSC, and UPSC, look at the popular roadmaps cards. We don't sugarcoat the reality. For SSC CGL, we display the brutal metrics up front. Over 2.8 million applicants, a high cutoff of 152, and a daunting 1% success rate. We visualize the competition so you respect the challenge. Let's quick into the detailed CGL roadmap. First, the overview. We break down eligibility, but more importantly, look at the total applicants graph. You can see the year-on-year trend, analyzing how competition has spiked from 2021 to 2025. This context is vital. Next, we move to the exam pattern. We don't just list subjects, we break down the structure. You see the distinction between Tier 1 and Tier 2. We analyze the subject weightage, showing exactly how English and reasoning dominate the scoring opportunities. Below that, the previous year analysis highlights specific high-yield topics like number systems or analogies, so you know exactly what to study. But knowing what to study isn't enough. You need to know when. Click on the study plan. We convert a massive syllabus into a 6-month timeline. See how we structure it. Months 1 and 2 are for foundation building, complete with a daily schedule, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. for quantitative aptitude. It removes the guesswork from your daily routine. We back this up with the Resources tab. We don't just say, read books. We list the specific gold standard titles used by toppers like R.S. Agarwal and M.Y. Tyra. Finally, in Success Tips, you can read strategies from actual rank holders, like All India Rank 1 Shubham Agarwal, giving you mentorship from those who have already won. Now, a plan is useless without execution. Let's go back to the dashboard and enter the study room. This is your productivity engine. You can join a public room for community accountability, or, as we are doing here, create a solo sprint. Watch how customizable this is. You enter your session title, evening revision, and set your parameters. We define the focus interval and, crucially, the break duration. You can even add a short note to define your goal for the session. Once you click Start, the interface transforms. The focus mode is dark, minimal, and distraction-free. The large timer creates a sense of urgency, anchoring you to the task at hand until the clock hits 0. But the real magic happens when the focus ends. Welcome to the break mode. Notice the color shift to a calming green. We don't just stop the clock, we actively manage your recovery. The system provides quick tips to prevent burnout. Look at the carousel, a 20-20-20 eye break rule to reduce strain, reminders to drink water, and posture checks. We even include a box breathing tool. Inhale, hold, exhale to physically lower your stress levels before the next round. From the macro strategy of the roadmap to the micromanagement of your mental health in the study room, JobPrism bridges the gap between aspiration and action. Visit jobprism.work and take control of your future today. This is part 3 of our platform tour. We'll be revealing more advanced features and tools in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next update, and in the meantime, experience the full platform yourself by visiting jobprism.work.